Hello. I buy donut, strawberry jam syrup, and syrup. Look. And I buy chocolate flavor. Yesterday I ate this. This is what I eat now. Mm. 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 That's super delicious. Mm. Mm. And I buy Pringles donut. This is a strawberry. And I am Philippines. Where's the syrup? You eat the syrup. My brother eats the syrup.
I see.
Mm.
Ali, nabago lang yung sopa natin. English na.
Of course, I'm Philippines. Mm.
Ala. Eh. Ba.
Tingnan mo nga dyan, nagsasaksakan dyan kung sa G-Nerds na lolo mo yung grass, yung charger na grass cutter. Tingnan mo dyan sa
Ano daw yun? Ito pa, mami, yung 48 BF Heat Store.
This is icing.